Hello friends, welcome to my channel Codeswala. Today we'll learn how to use the for loop in Excel and return the recorded macros. Go to the developer tool, codes, just delete the old one. As integer I is equal to 0, for I is equal to 1 to 10. Next I for cells, comma, row 1, row is I want the increment, I want to increment row, column is 1, first column, dot value is equal to I want to bring the value whatever is I. So I have written this and just run this tool, run this macro, run. You can see here 1 to 10 has been put here. So if you want to add add the strings or and add with some other value and get the value at B, we can do that by adding, we can add the string dim str as string str is equal to str is equal to, okay fine, is equal to I and with and com list I can add and hardcode test and put that back, put the same value in I will be the row will be the same and column will be the second one, dot value is equal to str, whatever the values we have given them. Now come back to the Excel macros, run the tool, that's it. In the same way you can use this two as applicable wherever you can see this advantage. And while saving this macro, you have to save this with XLSM, okay, because in XLS the macros will not be saved. You will get error message saying that you can't save the macros. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. For regular updates, please share this channel. If you like the videos, please be connected. Thank you.